How do you brush your teeth? Today, we will use the daily routine of brushing our teeth to practice speaking English. Time to brush. Which word is missing? Good job. Grab your toothbrush. Which word is missing? Very good. Grab your toothpaste. Which word is missing? Very good. Squeeze a little toothpaste. Which word is missing? Very good. Put the brush in your mouth. Which word is missing? Very good. Start with the front teeth. Which word is missing? Very good. Now, move to the sides. Which word is missing? Good job. Brush the back teeth. Which word is missing? Good job. Scrub your tongue. Which word is missing? Good job. Brush for at least 2 minutes. Which word is missing? Good job. Spit out the toothpaste. Which word is missing? Good job. Swish with water. Which word is missing? Very good job. Floss between your teeth. Which word is missing? Good job. Check your smile in the mirror. Which word is missing? Good job. Twice a day is key. Morning and night keep cavities away. Which word is missing? Good job. Replace your toothbrush every 3 months. A fresh brush works best. Which word is missing? Good job. Eat healthy snacks. Veggies and water help keep teeth strong. Which word is missing? Good job. Smile big. You've got the cleanest, healthiest teeth. Which word is missing? Good job. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Don't forget to like, submit, subscribe. Talk to you soon.